Hello, ninth graders. Have a couple of rules to go over with you today regarding commas. First rule is use commas for non-restrictive elements of many kinds. Okay, non-restrictive means not necessary. All right, here's the first example: a non-restrictive, unnecessary adjective clause. Abraham Lincoln, comma, who was a morally upright man, comma, served as America's 16th president. All right, and then a non-restrictive adverb clause. The movie ended up being a good one, comma, even though it had received bad reviews, period. And of course, this one only has one comma instead of two because it's at the end of the sentence and it's followed by a period. Next slide. Use a comma or a set of commas to set off most appositive phrases. Remember, appositives act as nouns. They usually come in phrases, and they usually come very close, if not right after the nouns or pronouns that they rename. Here's an example. Zane Basham, comma, a hard-working ninth grader, comma, finished his work early. So you have commas surrounding a hard-working ninth grader, which is the appositive phrase, renaming Zane. However, there is something called a close appositive that does not require commas. A close appositive is defined as a short appositive or appositive phrase, one word or sometimes two or three words. And not only does it need to be short, but it needs to be as important or more important than the word that it renames, the noun it renames. Here's an example of a close appositive that does not take commas. My niece, Ellie Haynes, is a brilliant young lady. Okay, Ellie Haynes is your two-word short appositive phrase, renaming the word niece, and it could very well be argued that Ellie Haynes is at least as important to the meaning in this sentence as the word it renames. Therefore, no commas. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me as always. Have a blessed day.
He's in the used car business out there. Somewhere is that? Jackson. Well, we're proud of that, and he's got it. Yeah. And, Marlon, one of the outstanding things. Something funny, Mark. Not even calling him dogs? No, we got a preacher, a tax man, and a car salesman.
An appositive may rename a noun in any position in the sentence. It could be a subject, a predicate noun, a direct object, an indirect object, object prep, or objective complement. For example, I named my owl Fitzgerald, the last name of the famous singer Ella Fitzgerald. Okay, Fitzgerald is your OC, and then you have your appositive phrase renaming Fitzgerald your OC. Have an awesome day.